So students, continuing the electrochemistry, today's topic is variation in specific conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration. So as you have already studied about the specific conductivity, kappa, that is the conductivity of unit volume of electrolyte is called its specific conductivity, as you have already studied earlier. Now, molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is related with moles. As you know that number of moles is weight in grams upon molar mass. So, if you take 40 grams of NaOH, since molar mass of NaOH is 40, so if you take 40 grams of NaOH means it is 1 mole. If you take 80 grams, it is 2 mole. If you take 20 grams, it is half mole. So, molar conductivity can be defined as the conductivity of electrolytic solution which contains 1 mole of electrolyte in it. Molar conductivity is denoted by lambda m. Same as equivalent conductivity, molar conductivity also equal to specific conductivity kappa into volume V. Here V is the volume in ml containing 1 mole of electrolyte. If m is the molarity of solution, then lambda m will be equal to kappa into 1000 upon m. To find the unit of lambda m or molar conductivity, here you will write the unit of kappa, that is ohm inverse, centimeter inverse. This is volume, means centimeter cube, here mole. So unit will be ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse, or ohm inverse since written as Siemens, Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. This is the unit of molar conductivity. Now come to the topic variation in specific conductivity with concentration. To understand the topic, let us take half glass of water and add 1 spoon salt. Now we have to decrease and increase its concentration or dilution. If you add a further 1 spoon of salt, definitely its concentration is increased. But if you add water instead of salt, it means its concentration is decreased, or you can say on addition of water dilution is increased. So concentration and dilution are two opposite words. If concentration decreases, dilution increases. Concentration increases, dilution decreases. So on increasing concentration or decreasing dilution, the value of specific conductivity always increases. To understand the topic, take 1 cubic centimeter volume of an electrolytic solution. Suppose it contains 8 NaCl, means 8 Na plus 8 Cl minus. Since the volume of this electrolytic solution is unit, so its conductance will be called specific conductivity, means kappa. But if you increase its dilution up to 4 times, suppose it becomes 4 centimeter cube. Now the ions are distributed in whole solution. Definitely this will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 Na, 2 Cl minus, 2 Na, 2 Cl minus. At this condition, the unit volume of electrolytic solution contains 2 Na plus and 2 Cl minus. So we can say on increasing dilution or decreasing concentration, the number of ions per unit volume decreases. Therefore, specific conductivity for strong and weak both electrolyte always decreases on increasing dilution. Now, variation of molar conductivity with concentration or dilution. So, it is clear that the molar conductivity of any electrolytic solution always increases with the increase in dilution. But the reason is different for both strong and weak electrolyte. So we will study it one by one. For strong electrolyte, like KCl, NaCl, etc. So as we know that strong electrolytes are always completely ionized, but due to interionic attraction at high concentration, they are not free to move, or they move slowly and their conductivity is low. But as the dilution increased, they get enough space to move and mobility is increased, therefore conductivity is also increased. If we understand it through a graph plotted between lambda m and square root of concentration of the electrolytic solution, and we take the example of KCl, strong electrolyte, as we decrease the concentration or increase the dilution, we observe that its molar conductivity continuously increases, and as the concentration approaches to zero or dilution is infinity, its molar conductivity is maximum. At that condition, the molar conductivity is known as conductivity at infinite dilution and denoted by lambda m infinity. So we can say at any particular concentration, the molar conductivity is always less than its limiting molar conductivity, which is maximum. To establish a relation between limiting molar conductivity and molar conductivity at a particular concentration. To describe the effect of concentration on molar conductivity of an electrolyte, Debye, Huckel and Sagar gave an equation which is written as lambda m c equal to lambda m infinity minus b root c. Here lambda mc is the molar conductivity at concentration C. Lambda m infinity is the molar conductivity at infinite dilution or limiting molar conductivity. B is a constant which value depends upon the nature of solvent. C is the concentration of electrolytic solution. So, on increasing the dilution or decreasing the concentration, the increase in molar conductivity of a strong electrolyte is actually due to increase in the space to move the ions that carrying the charge. Now, for weak electrolyte, like CH3COOH, acetic acid, ethanoic acid. As we know that weak electrolytes are partially ionized, they are not completely ionized. So, since they are partially ionized, there is no matter for the space to move them. But as the dilution is increased, their ionization or dissociation also increases. As you have studied in class 11th, Ostwald dilution law. According to Ostwald dilution law, the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte increases with the increase in dilution. So, we can say that the increase in molar conductivity of the solution of weak electrolyte on increasing the dilution is due to the increase of dissociation. We can understand it through a graph. The curve is something different from that of a strong electrolyte. When we decrease the concentration or increase the dilution, such curve is obtained, which has no intercept. Therefore, we can see that experimental determination of molar conductivity of weak electrolyte is not possible. So this is all about the variation in specific and molar conductivity with concentration. Thank you.